Hello students. In this video we will discuss about the reactivity series with oxygen, with water and with acid. So here first one was in reactivity, the most reactive was potassium. So first of all we will see the reactivity of potassium, sodium and calcium. These three were at the top in the reactivity series. पोटेशियम सबसे ज़्यादा रिएक्टिव है, उसके बाद सोडियम है, उसके बाद कैल्शियम है. तो हम इनकी रिएक्टिविटी देखेंगे विथ ऑक्सीजन. दे रिएक्ट विथ ऑक्सीजन एट ऑर्डिनरी टेम्परेचर. क्योंकि ये ज़्यादा रिएक्टिव है तो ऑर्डिनरी टेम्परेचर भी अगर इन्हें ऑक्सीजन मिलती है तो ये जल्दी से रिएक्शन कर देंगे. नाउ व्हाट अबाउट दिस मैग्नीशियम, एल्यूमिनियम, जिंक एंड आयरन. ये इन तीनों से कम रिएक्टिव है. मैग्नीशियम, फिर एल्यूमिनियम उससे कम रिएक्टिव, फिर जिंक उससे कम, फिर आयरन उससे कम. सो व्हाट इट विल डू, it is they are not reacting at an ordinary temperature. Means if we are keeping this magnesium, aluminum, zinc and iron in an open area, means in contact with oxygen, so they are not generally react with the oxygen and forming the oxide. But what they are doing, when we are heating then only they are forming oxide. But aluminium also reacts at ordinary temperature. aluminium इनमें से एक है जो ordinary temperature पे भी reaction देता है. But others are giving oxides on heating only. Now come to this lead, copper and mercury. They are forming oxides on very strong heating. क्योंकि ये ऊपर वालों से कम रिएक्टिव है तो ये जल्दी रिएक्शन नहीं देगा. So when we are heating too much, when we are doing too much heating at a higher temperature, then only they are forming their oxides. Now come to these argentate, gold and platinum. They do not react with oxygen even on strong heating. अगर हम इनको ऑक्सीजन के साथ हीट भी करते हैं या फिर हीट ही करते हैं तो then also they are not reacting with oxygen and they are not forming oxides. I hope this is clear. Now we will see this reactivity series, the reaction of this reactivity series with water. So as potassium and sodium are highly reactive and calcium are highly reactive, so potassium and sodium react with cold water as soon as possible. As soon as we are adding water, that is cold water, so this potassium and sodium start giving reaction. But this calcium is reacts moderately, means slow reaction देता है, धीरे रिएक्शन देता है लेकिन देता है. Now come to this next one, Mg, aluminium, zinc and iron. How they are giving reaction with water. Magnesium reacts with hot water, another reacts with the steam water only to form oxide. Magnesium जो है hot water के साथ अगर contact में आता है then it forms reaction with water. But aluminium, zinc and iron ये जो है ordinary temperature और steam जो है water से जो steam निकलती है उसके साथ reaction देते हैं. That's why it is said that you should not use aluminium in your vessels, because whenever we are using aluminium in vessels, so when we are cooking food in aluminium vessels, so what is happening, the water is becoming hot, and when the water is becoming hot or steam is produced, the aluminium is reacting with the water and it is forming a very hard oxide which is not good for our health. Okay, so you do not use aluminium vessels as soon as possible, because aluminium is very reactive with the hot water. Now this lead, copper and mercury, they are not showing any kind of reaction with water or steam. चाहे हम गर्म पानी दें या फिर ठंडा पानी, they are not showing any kind of reaction. So you can use these kinds of vessel, copper, mercury, or mercury we cannot use, like copper we can use. Now next is silver, gold and platinum. They are also not showing any reaction with hot water or cold water or steam. So that's why the in old age time that king or Raja Maharaja was there, they were eating in gold vessels. Why? Because this gold is not reacting even on heating also. Now the third one, reaction with acid. Reaction with acid. So this potassium is more reactive, sodium, calcium, they are more reactive. So they will show the reaction. Potassium and sodium react explosively with dilute acid and give hydrogen, but Ca reacts less vigorously and it is giving also reaction with the acid. So ज़्यादा रिएक्टिव है तो ये एसिड के साथ एक्सप्लोजिवली प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म करते हैं. एक्सप्लोजिव मतलब एक धमाका सा होता है इफ़ दे आर कमिंग इनटू कांटेक्ट विथ एसिड. So magnesium, aluminum and zinc FeR react moderately with acid to produce hydrogen. मतलब अगर हम एल्यूमिनियम, जिंक एंड मैग्नीशियम से रिएक्शन कराते हैं, सो दे आर नॉट प्रोड्यूसिंग एनी काइंड ऑफ एक्सप्लोजिव, they are giving reaction normally. Now next, mercury, oh sorry, lead reacts with concentrated HCl to give copper, to give H2. Hydrogen gas is releasing when this lead is reacting with concentrated HCl. Now Cu and Hc do not react with dilute acid. As you can see here, this copper and Hg are downside of this Pb. That means this Pb is more reactive than this copper and Hg. Pb is giving reaction with acids, but this Cu and Hc are not giving reaction with the acid. And this, what about this? Silver, gold and platinum, they are also not reacting with the dilute acid, but they are reacting with the concentrated acid, which is not written here. So in this way we can say the reactivity series is showing us which one is more reactive and which one is less reactive. From this series you can see this potassium, K means potassium, is very reactive, and this platinum is less reactive. Or you can say all these three are very less reactive. You see this gold, silver, gold and platinum, they are not giving reaction. They are not giving reaction with oxygen, not with water, not with acids. So in this way we have seen the comparison. In this video only this much. If there is any doubt, you can write in the comment box and ask your doubts. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching the video.